Welcome back, my YouTube friends. Thank you for stopping by as usual. Shawn here, aka Shawn the Barber, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to do a taper fade. And I can guarantee you this much, this will be the most easiest tutorial you guys have ever seen in your life. If that's something that you're interested in, please make sure to go below, like and subscribe, and even click that bell. Follow me to the next step, guys. Peace. Alright guys, before we get started I want to demonstrate. All the way open, closed, halfway. Alright guys, I'm going to speed something up for you real quick. Obviously I have long hair on top and I want to knock it all down to a number 3. Long overdue. Alright, so I knocked it all down to a 3. Let's go on to the next step. Start your first guideline off here. Right about where the beginning where the ear starts. Then you want to take your clippers all the way open. Right now I like to start on my beard and just knock off some of that bulk, but then I'll go up about a ½ inch. Going up, fanning it up about a ½ inch. Close it halfway. Go just underneath that line. And close them all the way closed and knock out that bottom line. Then take your 0 guard. All the way open, go up about ½ inch. Close them about halfway. All the way closed, flick out that bottom line. Then you want to snatch up that number 1. All the way open. Same step with the number 1. All the way open. ½ inch. And fanning it out with the halfway closed. Close them all the way up, flick out that bottom line. Now grab the 1.5. Just ever so slightly go above that number 1. All the way open, ½ inch. With the 1.5, and then you want to close it halfway underneath. Now I take the number 1 and I'm going to go back down all the way open with number 1 and just taking out them heavy spots. And I'm closing it up as I go lower. And I'll take out the 0, back down to the 0, all the way open, flicking it into that 1. Closing it up. All the way open, no guard, at that very first line. Just flicking it, basically just cleaning up the fade. Now it's going to clean up the edges a little bit. Just to demonstrate this side. See, piece of cake. And I know it looks a little heavy towards the middle of my hair, but I'm letting that grow in from the previous shadow fade that I did. This is basically to just demonstrate the temple fade, so try to focus in on that. Alright guys, I'm just going to speed it up a little bit on this side. Just basically do the same things on this side, same steps. Very easy, very simple. You guys can do this at home. First step, all the way open. Close it up halfway, flick out that bottom line. Zero guard, all the way open, 1/2 inch. Close it up halfway, and flick out that bottom line. Same with the 1, then you'll open it up 1/2 inch, close it up halfway, and then flick out that bottom line underneath of that, and then go up to the 1.5. Just like the other side, piece of cake. You guys got it. You can do this. I try to demonstrate this as if I'm trying to teach somebody for the first time. Can be a little tricky, I get it, but it's very simple. Try to help you guys the best way I can, so please, if you have any questions, go to the comment section below. Ask any question you like, man, I'll get back to you. I'm here to help. And one other thing, I know you guys might get sad about this one. I did taper the back, but I wasn't able to demonstrate it in this video. I had just the terriblest lighting in this video, and I didn't have a back mirror to get it to the right angle to show you guys. But I will in future videos be showing it, so don't hate on this video. Give it a chance. If you're curious how to taper the back, it's the same steps as the temples. Alright, so here's the aftermath. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There you have it. Piece of cake, right? That's what I'm talking about. So if you guys enjoyed that, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated with new videos. Peace.